Today in the Smuggler's Room, we turn the keys of this ship over to the Junk Yard Jedi.
Hey, you awesome geeks, what are you going to do with all those giant leftover Easter eggs? That's coming up.
What's up, you awesome geeks? I'm Brian, and welcome to the Smuggler's Room. This week, this chubby geek is once again placing you in the confident hands of my father, the Junk Yard Jedi, as he's about to blow your mind with his mad skills. Today's episode is why I'm such a huge fan of building something out of nothing, and it gives me a chance to sit back, relax, and watch the master at work. Being able to see everyday objects used in props, costumes, or whatever is from your imagination is what makes a maker a maker. So without any further blabber from me and only the occasional commentary, I'm going to turn it over to the man I've learned so much from as he takes you through the design and build of Baby Yoda's Pram.
Glue's dried off. I'll take our little bread knife, not my new bread knife, but my old bread knife. Kind of shape this, take a little off at a time.
If you're wondering about the red sanding block, it's a simple piece of plywood that is cut and shaped to fit the sanding belt typically used on a belt sander. It's an awesome, easy homemade sanding block that has so many uses in our shops. We've used juice lids before, and the pill bottles and lids, but here the Junk Yard Jedi is going to combine those along with a slew of other easily found parts like styrene, plumbing parts, and more. The key here is not to hesitate to modify these parts. See beyond what they are and get creative on how you can use them. A little cutting, drilling, and you can completely change how they go together. I want to take an opportunity to thank our Patreon members. We cannot stress how much we appreciate your contribution and support. It's allowing us to get more and more creative with the builds and projects that we're going to bring to all of you. Thank you so very much. how it's done, my friends. An Easter egg toy, a bunch of everyday random parts, and some creativity along with ingenuity, and you have yourself Baby Yoda's Prim to travel by your side throughout the galaxy. Now all we need is a Baby Yoda. Like this one, sent from our good friend Jay Irick. I think it's time to get this little guy painted up and installed in the Prim. Thanks, Jay. Now, we really hope you enjoyed this project and that you're getting a fresh look at building from our Junk Yard Jedi series. And don't worry, he's got plenty more crazy ideas that we're going to bring you very soon. And we're going to see you the next time we build something out of nothing.